Austin father is home with his 2 young sons tonight after they were kidnapped by their own mother and taken to Mexico. On KXAN News tonight at 6 o'clock, we told you about a growing trend when it comes to child custody battles. Investigator Shannon Wolfson explains the problem and some remedies for parents.
You know, you really do not want to be a parent in this situation. Even though it is a felony to interfere with child custody in Texas, many law enforcement agencies don't even take a report when a parent says a child has been kidnapped by another parent, which means many of these cases aren't even recorded. What we do know is in Texas, the Department of Public Safety's Missing Persons Clearinghouse lists 44 missing children, all taken illegally by a family member. That's just in Texas. But the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children has more than 100 cases of children abducted by a family member in just the past year in the state of Texas. Around 30 of those children we know are in Mexico. In all, the center has 60 active cases of children from Texas who've been taken to Mexico by a family member. This is Pamela Brown. She's a Texas attorney who fights for parents whose children have been taken out of this country illegally by another parent. Tell me about dealing with Mexico specifically.
The biggest challenge we've had in recent years is children that have been abducted to basically lawless states. Well, I think it behooves us to make people aware that this is a growing problem, particularly among law enforcement and prosecutors, and that they do have a role where they can have an impact and help recover the kids.
Well, Brown suggests that parents insist law enforcement take reports in these cases, don't accept no for an answer. And she also recommends a civil remedy. It's something called the Hague Convention Abduction Treaty. It's an agreement between some countries to return children who are kidnapped by a parent. The U.S. and Mexico are both part of this treaty. Clearly, though, Mexico doesn't always comply with it. Online right now, you're going to find some resources for families in this situation and all of our reports in this 9-month investigation. That's at KXAN.com. Shannon Wolfson, KXAN News.
And if you have a tip for our Investigates team, email us at investigates@kxan.com. You may also call our tip line 512-703-5255.